Hello everyone and welcome to Creative BD, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hide all spelling and grammatical mistakes in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So if I open up my Microsoft Word, you see I already have written a bunch of stuff which has no meaning, I guess. Yeah, so as you can see, it's showing this red red underline that it shows that it's the spellings are not real spelling, and it's just spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes or even. So how do I hide this? And you might have other, I mean, this is just an example, but if you have a document with many spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes but you don't want to see them, then what you can do, and what I'm like, there's a lot of mistake here, so I'm just going to show you how to do this here. And if you apply it on your document that have a lot of spelling and grammatical mistakes, then the mistakes will be hidden as well, just like in this one. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, what I'm going to do is that, as you can see, my mouse cursor, I just take it to the spelling mistakes, and I click here, and as you can see, if I that's not okay. So as you can see, I have all these wrong spellings and grammar here. So how can I hide this? So I'm just gonna right click here, and as you can see, it says spelling, right? And in spelling there's no such thing, because this is just random stuff. Okay, so after spelling, I click here and I go to, if I do ignore all, it will just only ignore this line. Okay, let's just show you how what I'm talking about. Okay, so if I just ignore all, it's just gonna ignore this one line, and it doesn't really serve our purpose that we want to do. If we had this a couple of times, for example, if we had this for a couple of times, then it's not gonna show as an error, but all the rest of the mistakes would be shown in a red underline. So what I'm gonna show you is that just right click here, and in spelling go to see more right here. And I would suggest you use Microsoft 365, Office 365, as this is the latest version and it has all more functionalities. But I think it's still gonna work with the older versions as well. I'm not sure. So let's get started. So click on see more, and in see more, as you can see, it says on the editor tab, it says ignore once, ignore all, add to dictionary, auto correct option. So we don't want anything to do with it. We're just going to go to setting right here at the bottom. Click on setting. As you can see, a lot of stuff has settings has come up, and we're in the proofreading in the Word option. And in the proofreading, there's a lot of option, but we're not gonna do any of those. We're just gonna go to exception for. We're gonna hide spelling errors in this document only. Or if you want to hide in all other documents, so you can just click on all documents, but I'm just going to leave it at that. Okay, in this document, and after that I'm just going to, and this will hide the spelling errors but not the grammatical errors. So for the grammatical errors, what we're going to just click on right here. So hide spelling errors in this document only, hide grammatical errors in this document only. So now if I click on OK, as you can see, all the errors and all the grammatical mistakes, the spelling mistakes, all have been hidden, and it's not showing any of the mistakes as in red underline. It's just normal text. Okay, so now you might be wondering that, okay, just I want to turn my option on. I want to see the grammatical mistakes and the spelling mistakes and whatnot. So what can I do about it? I'm just gonna search here spelling. I'm just gonna search here spelling, and click on right here spelling and grammar in the search option above. I'm going to click on here. As you can see, it shows to check this document, the following exceptions in proofreading option must be turned off. hide spelling errors in this document, hide grammatical errors in this document? Do you want to turn them off? So for me to see the mistakes, again, I have to turn it off. So click yes, and as you can see, it's all back on. So yeah, so that's it for the video. This is how you can hide grammatical and spelling mistakes from a Word document. If you don't want to see them temporarily, or if you don't want to see them at all, then you can also turn it on the way I just showed you. You might have different needs for me, because I know that I had to do a lot of assignments where I wanted to hide my mistakes for the time being, because the red underline is pretty annoying to look at. Because of the red underlines, like, oh, you're doing mistakes and whatnot. Okay, yeah. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and also subscribe to Creative BD, and do like our video, comment if you want to know something, and share. So thank you everyone, have a great day.